Masquera say Zvese Zimbabwe, welcome to our channels in confessions and deep secrets. Kana karike kutanga kukuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingoga waka subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Masquera Zimbabwe tawigira nyaya kupisa nyaya kunetsa nyaya ya Honai YaJacob Mafume. Jacob Mafume huyo arikunzi he lied under the oath after provided the Commission of Inquiry with the wrong address for his place of residence. Jacob Mafume uyakabuda achitaura iye achiti anogara pa number 110 Coronation Road, Greendale, Harare, instead of his actual residence 102 Coronation Road, Greendale. Arikunzi he lied under the oath. Zvese Zimbabwe akabuda achitaura iye achiti akapa the address as 110 hanzi yanga iri era. Atanga kutaura iye achiti he stays in the same street. Zvese Zimbabwe vanhu vakafamba vakano cheka address yavakapiwa vakawanikwa pasina chinhu. So pabuda pachitaurwa the reason why akapa wrong address hanzi aisada kubuditsa imba yake iyo yaakatenga last year na December. Imba iri yakatengwa $270,000 United States dollars hanzi nemari corruption. Zvese Zimbabwe ndo imba yamukona irapo ine picture yapo tunze ndo pamba pa Jacob Mafume yakabuditswa the change radio vachitaura ivo vachiti Harare Mayor His Worship Jacob Mafume lied under oath after providing the Commission of Inquiry with the wrong address for his place of residence. Mafume told the commission, led by retired High Court Judge Justice Mafume Yaakatenga, that he resided at number 110 Coronation Road, Greendale, Harare, instead of his actual residence at 102 Coronation Road. Acknowledging the mistake, Mafume said, "I did give the address as 110. It was my error. I stay in the same street at 102. I would want to invite the commission to pass by my house." It is alleged that Mafume gave the wrong address to conceal the house 102 Coronation Road he bought using proceeds from corrupt activities. The house, which he personally owns, was purchased in December last year for $270,000 United States dollars. Mafume is currently testifying before the Commission of Inquiry with his tenure as Harare Mayor under scrutiny. The inquiry will continue. Mabuditsiro akaitwa nyaya iyi Zvese Zimbabwe na the change radio vakaendera mberi vachitaura ivo vachiti Mafume produces building inspection plan with fake signatures before Commission of Inquiry. He didn't rain but poured for Harare Mayor His Worship Jacob Mafume, who pompously refers to himself as Harare One, implying control over the capital of Zimbabwe, much like Zim One refers to President of Zimbabwe. Mafume has found himself at the center of controversy as the Commission of Inquiry continues to unearth irregularities within the city council. The mayor is under scrutiny after it emerged that his Belvedere residence, currently undergoing renovations, and his luxurious 102 Coronation Road in Greendale, which he bought in December last year for a whopping $270,000 USD, may have been funded through kickbacks from a South African company, Quill Associates, that was controversially awarded the enterprise resource planning tender. He has been struggling to provide truthful answers as he was being questioned by the commission. On Wednesday, he lied under oath that he resides at number 110 Coronation Road, Greendale, Harare, a land that was later discovered to be an undeveloped stand with a small temporary office used by Mr. Pukwa for his vehicle auction business after a site visit was sanctioned by Commission Chairman, retired High Court Judge Justice Mafume Yaakatenga. When asked on Thursday by Public Prosecutor Tapiwa Godze about the 60 hostels he is currently building at his controversial property in Belvedere and whether he had followed all due processes, Mafume produced a plan with 6 inspection signatures. Prosecutor Godze asked him several times why the signatures for different inspection stages had the same ink density throughout, even though there were different inspection stages. "I put it to you that these inspection signatures were fraudulently obtained," as they have the same ink density, and yet the inspections were done at different stages, Kodzi told Mafume, to which he denied. The commission chair Cheda also weighed in questioning the authenticity of signatures, which showed that they were done on the same day. According to Mafume, the inspection signatures were done between early December and January 28 this year. Earlier, Cheda had adjourned the session after Mafume showed a propensity for lying. A reliable source later revealed to this publication that the signatures were fake and did not come from any of the accredited council inspectors. He actually showed the commission a plan with fake signatures from a purported inspector. If you seek clarity from the council, you realize that the accredited council inspectors are unaware that the property in question went through inspections, which is a key requirement for all property development, the sources said. It said that he continues to commit crimes lying under oath and now producing a plan with fake signatures from a non-existent inspector, added the source. Every inspection stage attracts a certain amount. The inspections he purports were done should be supported by evidence of the mayor having paid the money to the city council. Also, the plan for his project should be around 3,000 USD. I'm told the commission knows that he will be asked to produce the evidence. When asked by the chair to reveal the name of inspector, Mafume said, "I don't know his name. My wife is one who is managing this project, hostel project." Mafume has been reported to the Law Society of Zimbabwe for producing a document with fake signature before the court of law. He also admitted before the commission that he violated the council laws, which demand that anyone who intends to change the usage of a property from residential to commercial must seek the council's approval first before any developments are done. Mafume has already done developments exceeding 60% before he even got approval, let alone applied for the intended change of property use. Change of use from residential to commercial is done through the Works and Town Planning Committee, but no application was made, and no single minute of the meeting to prove the change of use was recorded, a source from the council revealed. Ndo mabuditiro wakatwanya iyi yazinomera mushe Jacob Mafume ari pamana nzombe zvakubuda pachena zvakubuditswa zvese muri Zimbabwe tude zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.